You've probably heard us mention the FordPass app a time or two, but what exactly does it do? Basically, it's like your vehicle's own personal smartwatch. With the FordPass app, you can stay connected to your Ford, control it, learn about it, and even get rewarded. Let's break it down. First things first, you'll need to connect your vehicle to the app using the VIN number. For vehicles equipped with FordPass Connect, adding your VIN to the app opens a whole world of upgraded convenience. You can remote start your engine, lock and unlock your doors, or request 24-hour roadside assistance. Electric vehicle owners can also check the charge level or find charging stations on the go. You won't have to keep up with a bunch of paperwork either. The FordPass app serves as a digital glove box, allowing you to easily access your owner's manual, warranty, or Ford credit information. Insights are available on demand with the FordPass app too. Click on the Vehicle tab at the bottom and you'll see estimated miles till empty, tire pressure, and even your oil life. Speaking of, the FordPass app makes maintaining your vehicle easy and convenient. You can access your service records, view your personalized maintenance schedule, and get reminders when your vehicle is due for a checkup. Plus, when you set Tipton as your preferred dealer, you can quickly schedule a service appointment through the app.
Would you like to use your FordPass points?
Okay.
Yes, I would. Please, thank you. Yep, that may be my favorite part of the FordPass app, the rewards. Every time you bring your vehicle in for service or buy or lease a new Ford, you'll get rewarded with points. Earn enough points and you can pay for service, buy accessories for your current vehicle, or even use those points toward a down payment on your next awesome Ford. The FordPass app puts your ownership experience right in the palm of your hand. It's fast, easy, and convenient, just like working with us here at Tipton Ford, Nacogdoches. Call or go online to tiptonford.com to learn more about the dealership. Be sure to follow us on social too for more Tipton tips on how you can spend less, drive more.